Coronavirus cases are at their lowest in nearly a year, largely due to the effectiveness of the vaccines.
News 12's Jolie Poole spoke with a physician who's optimistic but still a little cautious.
That's right. Coronavirus cases across the country have plummeted to the lowest rates in 11 months, sparking optimism that both the vaccination events are slowing both the spread of the coronavirus and the number of severe COVID cases. Although hospitalizations, deaths, and the amount of new coronavirus cases have fallen dramatically since the spike in January, experts warn that the pandemic is not over.
It was just a few months ago that, we had 80, 90 patients at all of our hospitals. So to get down to single digits as part of the census is wonderful. The caution I would urge is that we still have people with COVID. They're still sick enough to get hospitalized.
The number of active cases in Hamilton County is less than 500, with an average of less than 40 new cases daily. Local physicians say the vaccine is largely to thank for the major drop in cases, but there are other contributing factors.
The numbers grew so high back in the winter that there were very few people who didn't know someone who had had a bad case of COVID. So I think people were starting to take more precautions. I think that helped. And then the vaccine sort of added to that and became synergistic with it. A fair number of people who are not vaccinated who had COVID. And so far the immunity from natural infection is pretty good.
With the CDC and Hamilton County relaxing mask mandates, health experts are concerned another spike could happen if the public isn't careful.
There is a concern that people are taking less precautions because of that announcement, and we'll see another surge. That's a big worry. If we get more people vaccinated, it won't happen. Places in the country where there's a really high percentage of vaccination, COVID is truly disappearing.
If you're interested in learning more about the coronavirus vaccine or where you can get your vaccination, go to our website, wdef.com. Live in Chattanooga, Jolie Poole, News 12 Now.